everyone, this is Karen in Ghana, and I am out on the football field. The guys are playing football, we know it. And our Africaba team is in the gray and blue. And I'm not too sure how, the game is played. I kind of know, but it's interesting so far. I've gotten almost hit by the ball several times, so I'm way on the other side now. But this is the other team. Well, that's our guy on our team. But our goal is down at the other end. So, anyway. Looks like one of the players on the other team got hurt. So we're checking out the timeout to see what's going on. Right. Looks like he's okay. All right, so the other team scored. So it's 2-1 now, right? Uh-oh, so they up on us 2-1. All right, Africaba, y'all got to do it. Get busy. I would like for you to please like, subscribe, and share my videos so that everyone can hear about the great things that the Most High is doing. And perhaps they'll join us too. All right, thank you so much. All right, now one of our guys has gotten hurt. I think it might be his ankle or his foot. They're helping him up. Oh. There he goes. Here he comes. I think he'll be all right. He's just going to need to rest for a little bit. Okay, so the green team got a penalty and they're mad about it, so they take their shirts off in protest. See? They all taking off, keep their shirts off, their pants. This is a different kind of protest. Everybody, people from the sidelines coming all on the field. It is a big issue, and I don't know what it's about. I'll find out later, but they did not like the penalty that they got. So they started coming out of their clothes. Now they got their bags and they're leaving, I think. Oh my. Okay, well, all right guys. So they saying that the game is over. They walked away, they're leaving, they got their bags. But I heard that this is just all part of it. They don't like the penalty. And with a little talking, they'll probably come back and finish the game. This is Ghana. All right, I love it. Well, guys, they are still debating and trying to convince them to finish the game. And it's getting ready to get dark. And I understood that they're also not going to present the trophy today. So I'm going to end this video. Hey, everybody. We'll keep you posted on who the winners are or if they even ever come back and finish playing the game.
One jado kakra. Africaba.